If you're outside the UK and you don't have an ITVX account, making one can be a little tricky. However, there is a workaround. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Let's get straight into it. So the very first thing you need to do is download a VPN. Now the reason you need to do this is because in order to make an ITV account, you need to make it look like you're connecting to the internet from within the UK. To do that, you need to change your IP address. Now there's many VPNs out there, however, through personal usage and just what I use every single day, I believe that ExpressVPN and NordVPN are the best ones on the market. I will let you know that these are paid VPNs, but they're also premium VPNs. They just work. That's basically it. They just work all the time. If you are interested in using one of these VPNs, we do have a link in the description below that will give you 3 months of your subscription for free. If you're going to use something else, don't worry, the process is exactly the same. So once you've downloaded a VPN, this will be the way to do it on any device. I'm currently using a Mac. So I'm using ExpressVPN. I'm going to connect to a UK server. Docklands will do. And once that's connected, what it's done is it's changed my IP address. I'm based in New Zealand, so I have a New Zealand IP address. If I try and access ITVX, it's going to know I'm in New Zealand when it scans that IP. This will change that IP address to a UK IP address. So when ITVX scans it, it thinks I'm in the UK. So now all you have to do is ensure it's connected and go to ITVX. Once you're on ITV.com or ITVX, whatever it may be, just come up here and we'll make an account. Okay, so as you will have gone through a few steps here, putting in your email address, password, blah, blah, blah. It's going to bring you to this page, which is going to ask you for a postcode. Now, that needs to be a UK postcode. Easy way to get around this, all you need to do is open a new page. I like a tool called bestrandomtools.com. You don't have to use this website, but it just seems to work pretty well. You're going to go United Kingdom, generate, and see down here you've got all these addresses. They all have zip codes. Pick any one of these and paste it into here. As you can see up here in the top right, I'm now logged in. When you are trying to watch ITVX outside the UK, always ensure that you're connected to a UK server on your chosen VPN. And if you want to use one of the best VPNs on the market, you can get a discount with those links in the description. Get 3 months of your subscription for free. That's how easy it is.